Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, myself Varun Nandev Wagh. I am from ZIL Polytechnic Pune in Electrical Engineering, Division G, roll number 58. Project based learning activity. Different types of fuels showing their calorific value and uses. Guided by Professor Priyanka Palve Madam and Professor Sonawne Madam. In this project, my group members are Vishnu Pujari, Srikant Borude, Shubhratap Katkar and Pranav Akhade. Fuels. Definition. A fuel is any material that can be made to react with other substance so that it releases chemical or nuclear energy as heat or to be used for work. For example, wood, coal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. Classification of fuels. Primary fuels and secondary fuels. Primary fuels, solid, liquid, gas, and secondary fuels, solid, liquid, gas. Characteristics of good fuels: high calorific value, moderate ignition temperature, low moisture content, low non-combustible matter content, low cost and easy availability, easy to transport and storage cost should be low, product of combustion should not be harmful, burn in air without much smoke, combustion should be easily controllable. In this chart shows units of calorific value with various methods. Solid fuels. Definition. Solid fuels refer various forms of solid material that can be burned to release energy, providing heat and light through the process combustion. Solid fuels can be constructed with liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. Examples of solid fuels: wood, coal, coke, etc. Uses. Solid fuels refer both biomass fuels and coal. The most common fuel used for cooking and heating in wood, followed by other solid biomass fuels and such as charcoal, dung, agriculture residues, and sometimes even leaves and grass. Calorific value of solid fuels is least. Liquid fuels. Definition. Liquid fuels are constitutional or energy generating molecules that can be harnessed to create mechanical energy, usually producing kinetic energy. They also must take the shape of container. Examples of liquid fuels: petrol, diesel, etc. Uses. Most liquid fuels in widespread use are derived from fossil fuels. However, there are several types such as hydrogen fuel, ethanol, and biodiesel, which are also categorized as liquid fuel. Many liquid fuels play a primary role in transportation and the economy. Calorific value of liquid fuels is high. Gaseous fuels. Definition. Gaseous fuels are hydrocarbons, hydrogen and carbon monoxide mixture present in gaseous state which forms the basis of potential heat energy or light energy that can be readily disseminated by means the pipes from the origin to the place of consumption. Example of gaseous fuels: coal gas, water gas, wood gas, biogas, etc. Uses. Natural gases are used in production of paper, glass and clothing. Different types of gases are found in balloons, soda, gas grills and lighters. Hydrogen may one day even be used to fuel cars. These are only some of many ways gases are used every day. Calorific value of gaseous is highest. Conclusion. By the above theory, we conclude that gaseous fuels has high efficiency and good quality, but they are expensive and high risk. These are different types of fuels, their calorific value and uses. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.